Welcome back. It's that time again. As always, I've got some brand new rides on the lot to show you. We got a good variety this week, and there's even a couple of classics under 15 grand, which is always appreciated. Now, if you want more info on any of these rides, they'll become available around noon on Monday, so you can check Maple Motors' website, maplemotors.com. You can get more info. We're going to take a look at them right now. Before we get started, I want to briefly address an issue that arose in the last few videos, which is some people complaining about the music in the video. And because I do value your feedback, we're gonna do it a little bit differently this time. It's just gonna be the ambient sights and sounds on the lot, just like if you were there walking the lot yourself. So we're gonna start off front and center with this new ride on the lot. It's a silver 1955 Chevy Bel Air, priced at $34,900. Let's take a look at it. And making our way to the other side of the lot, we're looking at a 1977 Chevy El Camino, priced at $12,900. I'm digging the color scheme on this one. Let's take a closer look inside and out. Next up, these are few and far between on the lot. You're looking at a 1973 Mercury Cougar convertible, and it's priced at $16,900. Let's have a look at this new ride. Of course, we had to include a new Mustang in the lineup. You're looking at a 1967 Ford Mustang with an aqua colored paint job, and it's also $16,900. Let's take a deep dive on it. You already knew there's going to be a new Chevelle in the lineup. This one's a 1972 Chevy Chevelle, and it's priced at $30,900. The red and black paint scheme, let's take a look at it. The next new ride on the lot is this 1955 Chevy 210. It's priced at $35,900. This is going to be the priciest of this lineup of new rides. Got a blue and white paint scheme. Let's take a look at it. And last but not least, we got a wagon for you. This one's a 1968 Chevy Impala wagon. This is one of those that's under 15 grand. It's priced at $14,900 with a patina paint job. This is one of those that's under 15 grand. It's priced at $14,900. This will turn some heads on the road. Let's take a look at it. And as always, let me know in the comments which one of these new rides is your favorite. I want to thank you for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the first look at all the new inventory before it hits the market every single weekend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.